Hello everybody, this is Rebecca from CFMG. Beside me, it is our cost-effective model CFPT0808NP, which has a lifting height of 8 meters and load capacities of 230 kilograms. It is a very narrow type of scissor lift with a width of 82 centimeters, which is very suitable for indoor use in factories, buildings, and other working sites. For safety of the operators, it is equipped with emergency stop button and emergency descending cable, tilt protection system, and overloading protection system, and auto braking system, etc. The tire is non-marking and the gradability is 25%. It has an extendable platform to enlarge working scope and increase working efficiency. For easy maintenance, it has 2 trees which can be swung out for almost all the electrical parts. Any questions? You are always welcome to leave messages to here. We are waiting for you.